Hey y'all, so this is our 1995 Coachmen Catalina. It's a 237 RL. We've had the camper for about 6 years now, and it is way overdue for a restoration, if you could call it that. We have some damage from a roof leak. That's why we have the tarp over the whole camper right now. So I'm going to get this tarp kind of secure out of the wind and get the awning out so I can show you the inside.
More tarps. Bungees, right? Put together. And keep down.
Okay, now this is a smaller fifth wheel, but it gets the job done for us. So we have here's where our main damage is. There was a leak there used to be a luggage rack on the top, and where that luggage rack was screwed into the roof, it started leaking. So we never really got it fixed. You know, it's kind of, I actually patched the roof, but obviously it got worse. So we've got some issues going on. Eventually it made the floor kind of soft, and now the slide won't go all the way out. So what we decided to do, we're going to take everything out down to the studs and replace what's needed. I'm sure there's going to be some damage. You can kind of see a lot of stuff kind of bowed up. And we have where I just stepped down here, you can kind of see straight out. Very soft. So we've got our work cut out for us, but we're going to see what we can do.